So, you've heard of Lunar, the sleek, digital bank that's all about making your life easier. You download the app, set up your account in minutes, and you're good to go. But then you think, wait, where's the web banking? You go to their website, and there's no big login button. No portal. Nothing. It's an interesting choice for a bank in this day and age. So why doesn't Lunar offer web banking? The simple answer is a matter of philosophy and focus. Lunar is a neobank, a digital-only institution built from the ground up to be mobile-first. They see the future of banking not in browser tabs, but in the palm of your hand. Their entire business model is based on the idea that the best way to bank is through a smartphone. They pour all of their resources, all of their development efforts, into creating an incredibly powerful, intuitive, and secure mobile app. Think about it. A traditional bank has to maintain a web portal, and often an older, clunky one at that. They have to keep it updated, secure it against a different set of threats, and ensure it works across multiple browsers. That's a lot of work and a lot of cost. Lunar bypasses all of that. By focusing solely on their mobile app, they can innovate faster. They can release new features like real-time spending notifications, smart budgeting tools, and even investment platforms directly into the app without worrying about how they'll translate to a desktop. For Lunar, the app isn't just a part of the banking experience, it is the banking experience. It's where you do everything, from paying bills to freezing your card if it goes missing. And they're not alone in this thinking. Many modern fintech companies are making the same choice, betting on the fact that for most people, their smartphone is the primary way they manage their finances. Now, this doesn't mean it's a perfect solution for everyone. If you're a business customer, Lunar does offer a web bank for business accounts because they understand the need for a larger screen and more complex financial management. But for private customers, the no web banking policy is a conscious decision. It's a statement that says, we believe we can give you everything you need and more, all within a single, beautifully designed application. And so far, with a growing user base, it seems to be working.